Hello at kumusta? Welcome. Ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang isang useful or super useful na topic sa mundo ng computing at ito ay ang analytics. So, ano nga ba ang analytics? Analytics is the process of collecting, processing, and analyzing data para makuha tayo ng insights ng smart decisions. Hindi lang to basta-basta numbers, ito ang way para maintindihan natin kung ano nangyayari sa isang system. Ayan. So, as I said, analytics is a process of collecting, processing, and analyzing data to gain insights and make informed decisions. In computer systems, analytics help track performance, identify issues, and improve efficiency. Now, it is important to identify the issues and on the computer system, and it helps us compute and monitoring the performance of our system. Detects errors, crashes, bottlenecks that will slow down operations that will aid in predicting future system needs. Now, we're going to talk about the four types of analytics. Meron tayong may apat na main types ng analytics and bawat isa ay may specific role. So, una ay ang descriptive analytics. What happened? Ito ang type ng analytics na tumitingin sa past. Basically, sinasagot niya yung tanong ng ano ang nangyari. Gamit ito, makikita natin ang trends and patterns tulad ng pag-check ng system logs para malalaman natin kung gaano kataas ang CPU usage last week. Ang tools na yung ginagamit natin dito ay madalas ay Task Manager, Activity Monitor sa Mac, at syempre System Log. Next naman natin ay Diagnostic Analytics. Why did it happen? Ito naman ang nagsasabi ng bakit ito nangyari. Kung may issue, ito ang ginagamit para hanapin ang root cause. Example, yung laptop mo sobrang bagal. So, chinecheck mo kung mataas ba ang memory usage o may software conflict. Na halimbawa, event viewer, performance monitor, o mga debugging tools. Next is predictive analysis. What might happen in the future? Ito, kasi dito na pumapasok ang AI at historical data. Predictive analytics tries to answer, ano nga ba ang pwedeng mangyari? So for example, pwede niya i-predict kung kailan masisira ang hard drive mo based sa disk health report. So ang example nito is machine learning models, AI-based monitoring software like predictive maintenance tools. And lastly, ang huling type natin is the prescriptive analysis or analytics. What should be done? So, prescriptive analytics, dito hindi na niya pinapakita ang problema. Nagbibigay pa siya ng recommendations kung ano ang dapat gawin. Example, i-recommend lang niya kung anong system upgrades ang kailangan para maiwasan ng failures or ma-improve ang performance. Example nito is ang AI-driven optimizers at automated system tuning software. So, ayan yung apat natin ngayon. Lahat sila ay may role sa paggawa ng smarter decisions pagdating sa data at system performance.